Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First things first.
Continue.
Actually, not quite. Something happened. I collected a bunch of Kong letters. The ones that I missed. And then these appeared. It's only on the first and second world so far. And I want to do them because I've never done these before. Yeah, and it's called Platform Panic. And I'm thinking this should go be easy, right? Surely not. I don't know what these are. All I know is that I'm excited to do them because it's new to me. Do I jump on that? Oh. I feel like I'm gonna push up real quick. I don't actually know what I'm doing here. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Am I doing this right? Did I do good? I think I did good. Well, I think I was just supposed to walk off there. Oh, supposed to go around. Okay. Well. Oh no. Bro. I think this is gonna be hard.
It's hard.
And there wasn't a checkpoint after this first section. Gosh darn it. Should I just get a banana juice? I think it would get a banana juice. I don't know what I'm doing here. So unprepared. I've never done this before. Alright, one more time. Maybe if I really believe in... Wait, can I even bring an item to this level? What if I can't? Because, like, what if this is for bragging rights? Just rub salt in the wound, why don't you? Alright, so this is probably gonna be really hard. So we're gonna skedaddle real quick and... Let's at least finish something, like the next world.
Bro, would you finish it?
Okay. Wait, can I bring... Oh yeah, I can bring an item. I can bring squawks. I got a life back. Alright, can I just clue real quick? Oh, okay, cool. Wow. Alright, bro, this could be like actually soul shattering, so just in case, I'm gonna buy both the banana juice and the extra heart. Because, like, we don't know what this is. This could go really well or really, really bad. Well, they're still golden, so that's a good sign. Shiny. Yeah, it's just 10 hearts of invisibility in it. Oh wow, thanks, bro. So, what if it? Oh yeah, because I left the level. I don't keep the Poozle piece. It still makes that shiny shield sound effect. Oh, okay. I'll try my best. I was dancing with danger there. Good call, bro. I'm panicking though. Whoa. I don't care. My soul left in my body.
So you didn't think to just fall faster?
I couldn't do that.
Why not?
I can't. All right, one more time, because I gotta. Well, it's just I didn't think I'd be able to get it. Is the problem? So like I shouldn't have jetpacked? Probably. I'm sorry. It's just it looked really far away. I already got this one, but just in case. Man, are all of these banana temple levels gonna be like this? This is gonna be so hard. Maybe that's exactly the point. Oh, okay, wow. How generous. I would sure like a heart though. Okay, yeah. Good call there on my part. Yeah! There's no checkpoints. It's probably gonna be the only level I'm probably gonna bother with. My soul will be shattered if I try and do any more. Unless you really feel like it. Get the money back, you know? Wait, did that coin turn into a balloon? What?
Just feel like being
Nuts. I don't think we'll be okay. This is so already just so many parallel universes happening all at once. Well, I ain't gonna bother with that. I can't. What is wrong with me? Did I do it? Dude, that's not a barrel. What? Oh God, no! I got the bead of destiny. I don't want to do. Is this recording? I don't want to do that again.
It's only been 10 minutes though.
I know. You coward! I don't. Do I do the other one too? Oh no! This might be the whole episode. Tumbling Temple. I might just go back and do the Kong layers on my own, and if the temple will show, well, then I guess I'll just have to do them.
You.
No. I don't want to.
But I want to.
Oh, we're not even. What is that? I mean, we're not even on a lava level yet. But pterodactyls. Okay. This level is for much later! Diddy, I'm sorry! What?
The movie.
I'm sorry, man! And then that guy just came backwards. That was bold of me. Well... Is it even worth it for that one banana coin down there? That is just a test of greed. Thank goodness that balloon is just floating there, so that means all of this doesn't count. Whoa, my god! Oh! Okay, I see now. No, I got smart. I didn't know where I was going, man. You gotta throw me a bone. Not like those guys. Oh. I will say that I'm thankful that Dicky's here. I'm not at 1 HP. Yeah, I don't know how to get that. I'm not bothering with that either. This is oh wow, thanks, bro. I wanna go home. Wanna go home! I wanna go home!
Oh, we're recording at home.
Oh my god, I did it! Yes! I don't care. I don't want to do this anymore.
It wasn't that hard.
Screw you. Okay, so the banana juice has 10, still has the 10 hearts. Do yawn, I was fighting for my life. Temple top. I'm not entertained. Are you not entertained? Nice jam. And we're back to our regular scheduled program. Whatever you say, dude. Whatever floats your boat. What's going on here? Oh, such an elaborate puzzle piece! So smart. I have a funny feeling where I know what to do with it. Oh. Hey, you. This level's nice. No. There, I got it. Oof. Sorry, rhinoceros. Like, I want to know where those... Where is this water coming from?
Ow.
Ah, how could I be so foolish?
I don't know.
I don't know, bro. It could be a mystery. It could be coming from anywhere, even the ground.
You know,
I think I should have run full speed ahead. He's probably okay. What's the point of this? Oh. I see. My bad. What? Can I have the normal banana rings back? Ah! Almost missed that, bro. Who wouldn't have? Actually would have. But like, for my own sanity. Is that a beetle? What was that? Is that just Shadow Realm now? Never to be seen again. There it is again. Another one.
I don't know.
I just keep thinking the same thing.
Oh man, I don't really know.
The statues that were sent flying away. Hey, those guys. Never seen them before. Ah! But like, I think he's still accessible. Yeah. Oh, they're not beetles, they're turtles.
Oh.
Boy, I'm a fool. See, turtle.
Why are
But like, why would you be a turtle? Doesn't that building come all the way down? Yep, comes all the way down. I remember slowing down when that thing was coming down and then I died. I know. One of my proudest moments. See, there it is again. Except this was definitely the part where I had to go fast. Suspicious pot! Wow, I actually got them all.
Yeah, wait, what are you doing all of a sudden? I thought you said you weren't gonna do that.
Oops, I got a banana coin.
You lied.
Wow, that was amazing. I can't believe it. Now we can actually see what it is. It's now clearly a puzzle piece. Okay, it's the boss. It's the boss now. Ruined roost. Let's bring an extra heart. Cause it's probably gonna be super hard. What's the instrument, bro? If I've died a few times, it's probably something.
Wasn't paying attention.
I actually did it. How many times have... Oh yeah, frequently at the itty bitty biter section. Here we are.
Just pooting down.
Is that how you play Gong? Well, I guess there's no other way to play Gong. That was dumb. We've witnessed the miracle of birth! One extra heart? That's all you give me? That's bunk.
Well, it said extra work.
Now see, what I was trying to do is throw it at the burb. Actually, can I reach it? Yeah, throw. Okay. I guess that works. Throw it over here. Yay! Pretty please. That one's a firebomb. What do you mean? You threw a firebomb at me!
Yeah, but you're...
Was that just an atomic bomb? What was that?
If everything's still intact,
Then what was it? Fair enough. Trigger happy much? Another, once again, another wise observation. Napalm! And this one too! I missed! Stop making fun of me, I'm trying my best, this bird's always airborne. You know, like a bird. I was not rotating the right direction. I blame Donkey Kong for that one, for not turning in time. Now see, that was very nice. But I can't reach it from here.
just check it out.
Diddy! Well, I got a heart back, but Diddy's not here. Can he please have another heart? What was that?
They always use you.
Oh, did I do it? Ooh, that's quite the chunk. Yeah! How was that?
Imagine
17! That was worse! How did I do worse? That doesn't mean I want to! I won't. Well, that wasn't very nice.
It just spontaneously got exploded.
There's like 5 levels here. It's so pretty though! Okay, Ricky Rails.
So cute.
What about it? Don't drink it! What is wrong with you? You can't drink every substance you see.
Okay, but that is water.
It's really water this time. Actually, you're right. Sometimes there are wells and springs and such. Look, that turtle's giving us a nice little water slide. Show us the way, turtle! That wasn't very far, but thank you anyway.
Well, that's as far as it goes.
Ah, genius once again. I don't want to go there. Well, see, Diddy's there, and there's like a bunch of dynamite.
Makes sense.
Push. Now, if we wait long enough, it'll cause a chain reaction. It's not how dynamite works.
Of course it is.
Unless it was all perfectly synced for that one moment to happen. Mushroom. Is that even a mushroom? What is this? Suspicious. Did these break? No, those are some sturdy planks.
Because of course, you can't just have bad
I don't like where this is going. Oh, don't get distracted by the backgrounds! What was the point of giving me Diddy? Oh, I see. Never mind. That was mean. Oh no! I missed a letter! Ooh! Secret mine shaft, bro! Secret mine shaft! This is a nice change of pace. Was it me or did we completely fall silent all of a sudden? Yeah, what happened? Man, we lost our touch. It's just funny bonus level. Banana coin. I didn't know what was gonna happen at that moment. Oh! Oh, I made it. Wowee! 10 bananas! Oh, whatever. It's a leaf. A strange red... It's a pepper. Yes! I solved it! A red pepper, brother. Okay, with that very eventful beginning with the 2 temples and the boss and now the first level here, it is time to wrap up and begin the next one.
Where you lost me?
Well, like the banana temples at the beginning, and well, we're about to reach 30 minutes, so no better time to wrap up than in the new level world, whatever you want to call it.